Hello. How are you all doing? आप लोग सब कैसे हैं? I am Sara and today we're going to learn a little bit more complex grammar point in Urdu, which is subjunctive mood in Urdu and Hindi. So if you're kind of confused and scared, don't be, because by the end of this lesson you will be able to understand wishes, polite commands, suggestions, possibility, etc. So now let's get started. If you're new to this channel, मेरा नाम सारा है. मैं उर्दू पढ़ाती हूँ. मैं 8 साल से उर्दू पढ़ाती हूँ इस चैनल पर. I have been teaching Urdu for many years now, almost 8 years. Today we're going to learn this grammar point. First we'll understand the grammar, and then I'll give you different possibilities in different sentence or different situations where you can use subjunctive mood. So first we will understand what is subjunctive mood. So basically it's a verb form that is used to express desire. I wish I were taller. Possibilities. Maybe it would rain. Maybe the guests would come. Maybe the food is good on the wedding. It is also used to express polite suggestion. Please come on time. Open the door. Commands, etc. But politely. It's also used in many other contexts, but I'll teach you the main ones. So in Urdu, the subjunctive mood is very similar to the future tense construction. So for this lesson or for this video, you might have to learn the future tense first, and you can do that by watching this video. I created it a while back. So basically, it's the future tense construction without the gi, ga, and ge in the future tense. So for example, I will go. Do you know what that is? If you have your notebook ready, write the translation down. I will go. That is मैं जाऊंगी. मैं जाऊंगी. That is for a female subject. To make it a subjunctive mode, like I might go, like a possibility, a doubtful situation, something that's not very certain, not 100% sure. So I might go. Then what you'll do first is just remove the ge. The remaining thing which is left, the remaining part is जाऊं. So the sentence would be मैं जाऊं. Now to add a bit more clarity in it, you'll say शायद मैं जाऊं. Maybe I would go. शायद मैं कल school जाऊं. Maybe I might go. शायद मैं जाऊं. So this is how you make the subjunctive mood. For example, if you're talking about some other person, like he would go or she would go. Let's talk about a female subject, as we used the female example before. So वो जाएंगी. That is she will go. This is the future tense. You always have to refer back to the future tense because it's very similar to the future tense, and it's just like a future tense except the giga ge, as I told you before. So wo jayengi is she will go. Now to make it an uncertain, she might go, maybe she would go. For that you would remove the ge and you'll say wo jaye. वो जाए. शायद वो जाए. शायद वो जाए. Maybe she would go. Now in this sentence you can't really tell the subject gender, so it can also be for the male subject as well. So शायद वो जाए. Maybe he would go. शायद कल वो शादी पर जाए. Maybe he would go on the wedding. Shadi is a wedding. Shadi par jaye. Maybe he would go for the wedding, on the wedding. For you, tum, future construction is tum jaoge. Tum jaoge. You will go. Tum jaoge. To make it an uncertain situation, you'll say tum jao. So now write it in your notebook. What do you think is the subjunctive mood verb form here? I will reveal it to you. तुम जाओ. शायद तुम जाओ. maybe you would go. शायद तुम जाओ. I hope it is clear now. Now I'll give you the sample sentence for each of the situation. The first one is may construction. Like, may I come? So, मैं आऊँ? क्या मैं आऊँ? May I come? क्या मैं आऊँ? So, may I come? So, the subject can be male or female. Here we really can't tell because the giga gay is not there as in future tense. शायद वो जाए. He might go. शायद वो जाए. He might go. हम शायद इस रेस्टोरेंट में खाएं. हम शायद इस रेस्टोरेंट में खाएं. We might eat in the restaurant, in this restaurant. हम शायद इस रेस्टोरेंट में खाएं और शायद हम इस रेस्टोरेंट में खाएं. You can put शायद anywhere, but in the beginning I think it's the most appropriate. शायद हम इस रेस्टोरेंट में खाएं. Maybe we would eat in this restaurant. It is used for doubt, to express doubt and uncertainty, unpredictability. शायद आज मेहमान आए. Maybe the guests will come. शायद आज मेहमान आए. शायद आज मेहमान आए. मेहमान is guests. शायद आज मेहमान आए. शायद आज खाना अच्छा पके. शायद आज खाना अच्छा पके. Maybe the food is cooked nicely or like really good. The actual translation, the literal translation is a bit weird, but that's what I'm doing. शायद आज खाना अच्छा पके. Maybe the food is cooked nicely. It is used to express desire. काश मैं लंबी हूँ. काश वो आए. काश आज वो आ जाए. काश आज वो आ जाए. Kash is the sentence that means, or a word that means I wish. काश आज वो आ जाए. I hope he or she would come today. काश आज वो आ जाए. I hope she would come today or he would come today. काश आज बारिश हो जाए. काश आज बारिश हो जाए. I hope it would rain. काश आज बारिश हो जाए. काश वो मुझे कॉल करे. काश वो मुझे कॉल करे. I hope or I wish he would call. It is also used to make a wish for someone, or like someone, like a dua for someone, pray for someone. उम्मीद है तुम्हें कामयाबी मिले. उम्मीद है means I hope. उम्मीद है तुम्हें कामयाबी मिले. I hope you would get success. उम्मीद है तुम्हें कामयाबी मिले. उम्मीद है तुम्हें कामयाबी मिले. उम्मीद है तुम्हारा अच्छा दिन गुजरे. उम्मीद है तुम्हारा दिन अच्छा गुजरे. उम्मीद है तुम्हारा दिन, your day, अच्छा गुजरे. गुजरना is to spend. उम्मीद है तुम्हारा दिन अच्छा गुजरे. I hope your day is good. अल्लाह करे तुम खुश रहो और खुदा करे तुम खुश रहो. खुदा करे means God willing. खुदा करे तुम खुश रहो. May you always be happy. These kind of sentences are very common in Pakistan because we're always trying to make good wishes for other person, especially while saying goodbye. Especially the elders of the family like Nana Nani, Dada Dadi, they always say this to their grandkids. खुदा से दुआ है कि ये जोड़ी सलामत रहे. जोड़ी is a couple, like togetherness. सलामत रहे is like they may be safe. Salamat rahe means be safe. So hope, like God willing, this couple will be safe from bad evil eye. The next situation it can be used is let's sentence. Like let's eat mangoes. So let's is like chalo. Maybe you've heard it a lot. Like it's not exactly let's, but it's used in these sentences. Chalo aam khaएं. Let's eat mangoes. Chalo aam khaएं. Khana is to eat. Khaएं. Otherwise, the future construction would be खाएंगे. हम खाएंगे. Here, आम खाएं. We are removing the गे. हम आज आम खाएंगे. We'll eat mangoes. Let's eat mangoes. चलो आज आम खाएं. चलो बाहर चलते हैं. चलो बाहर चलें. चलो बाहर चलें. Let's go out. चलो बाहर चलें. चलो बाहर चलें. The other one is to express possibilities. मुमकिन है कि आज मैं जॉब पर जाऊं. मुमकिन है कि आज मैं जॉब पर जाऊं. Maybe it's a possibility. मुमकिन है means it's a possibility that I will go to the job or I'll go to the office. मुमकिन है आज मैं जॉब पर जाऊं. मुमकिन है आज मैं बिरयानी पकाऊं. शायद आज मैं बिरयानी पकाऊं. मेरे ख्याल में मैं आज बिरयानी पकाऊंगी. मुमकिन है वो झूठ बोले. मुमकिन है वो झूठ बोले. Maybe it's a possibility that he might lie or she might lie. मुमकिन है वो झूठ बोले. मुमकिन है वो झूठ बोले. मुमकिन है अक्टूबर में बहुत सर्दी हो. मुमकिन है अक्टूबर में बहुत सर्दी हो. So होगी is the future tense. It will be winters, or it will be cold. To make it uncertain situation, say हो. शायद सर्दी हो. It might be cold. शायद सर्दी हो. Is this clear to you? Do you have any question? Just comment down below. If you want more sample sentences, more grammar notes, etc., or a PDF transcript, you can become a patron on this channel. Each week, I will send you grammar notes for each video that I've created that week. I hope you have learned something new today. This is where I'll leave you, and hope you will continue learning the subjunctive mode and other grammar points. And I'll see you next time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.